How to avoid adult age issue. 1. Regularly work out. Workouts 3 times per week keep you healthy, prevent joint pain, and give you energy. 2. Live below your means. For beginner, don't buy it if you can't afford it twice. For advance, don't spend more than 10% of your income on it. And for pro tip, if it isn't making you more money, only purchase it if your assets can cover the cost. 3. Do what you love for work. Step 1. Working without passion can lead to massive stress and even depression. Step 2. Ask to get different responsibility, look for a new job or start a business. 4. Get 3 real friends. This is how you will recognize them. Step 1. True friends want you to be more successful and happier, so they will encourage you to overcome your excuses and stay on track. And step 2. Find friends on the same path with the goals. 5. Get a second income source. 1. If your current income can't pay for all your goals, get a side income that you can do from home. 2. Choose one that can make money 24/7 like online business, investment. 6. Priorities for your health. You only have one body, so take care of it. Do work out. Eat healthily. Stay hydrated, and go for long walks. Taking care of your physical health will also have a huge and positive effect on your mental health. 7. Embrace failure. You don't lose hope. Either you win or you learn. Failures will help you grow into a better, wiser, and more mature person. Don't be afraid to fail, be afraid of not taking risks. 8. Stop trying to fit in. You were born with 1. Your looks. 2. Your heights. 3. Your essence for a reason. Stop trying to fit in, because an original is worth so much more than a copy. You are unique. That's one of your powers. So this is how you can solve problems before you get an adult. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit bell icon.